Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm gonna do some really easy 4-ingredient protein balls. So this is gonna be a chocolate version and they are so delicious. A few weeks ago, I did another protein ball recipe and you guys loved it. So I wanted to share this one with you also. The one I did a couple weeks ago, I'll link it in the description box. So if you missed it, make sure you check it out. So good. They're just regular peanut butter protein balls. But for this week, I'm going to be using my chocolate protein powder. So this is Earth Chimp. It's organic, vegan, protein. It's a shake mix, but I use it in all kinds of different things. It's really good. I get it on Amazon, so I will put it in the description box, but very tasty. I love the chocolate version. They have some other flavors, but chocolate is definitely my favorite. So I have my Earth Chimp protein powder. I have my regular creamy peanut butter. You can use any kind of nut butter. I love almond butter, but I didn't have any today. So this is just as good with regular creamy peanut butter. Cocoa powder, and I use this sugar-free syrup. You can use maple syrup as well if you'd like, but I love this sugar-free one. So I'm gonna mix all these ingredients together. I will show you how I make these protein balls. So easy, so healthy and delicious. So let's get them made. All right, I'm gonna start with 1 cup of my creamy peanut butter. And like I mentioned, you can use any kind of nut butter. Almond butter is really awesome in these. And I have 1 cup of my chocolate Earth Chimp organic protein powder. It's delicious. I am going to use 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of syrup. And then I am going to mix this all together. So it takes a little bit of mixing, but I just keep stirring and stirring until all 4 ingredients are all mixed. And these ingredients are so simple and easy. Very likely to have these in your pantry already. So just a really delicious snack to have on hand so that you can have a nice little treat. All right, now that it's all mixed, I have my baking mat lined cookie sheet, and you can just use parchment paper if you'd like, but I love my baking mat. I use it for absolutely everything. I will link this one in the description box along with the Earth Chimp protein powder, both from Amazon. But I just like to have the baking dish on, or the baking mat on the cookie sheet just to make sure nothing sticks. And these, they don't stick much, but definitely like anything that's non-stick. So I'm gonna roll all of these up into bite-sized balls, and then after they're all rolled up, I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for about an hour to let them sit up, and then they will be so delicious. All right, so these set up in the refrigerator for about an hour, and oh my gosh, they are so good. So I will store these in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and they'll last all week, but they're so delicious. We will definitely eat them super fast. I will put the measurements to everything in the description box. If you're new to my channel and you like super easy, healthy recipes, make sure you click subscribe, and also make sure you check out my last protein ball recipe that I will link in the description box. It was super good also. So leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope you're having a really great day today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.